How to sign in Daily Motion on mobile app. So if you want to sign in, then first of all open up your Play Store, and then under Play Store on the search bar search for Daily Motion, and make sure to install this application. And after installing, you can tap on open. And now after opening your Daily Motion app, to sign in or to log in, you have to tap on the email and enter your email address, or you can also continue with Google. And after entering your email address, tap on continue. You have to enter your password, and after entering your password, you have to tap on continue and you will be signed in. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply tap on that, and then you can reset your password by simply tapping on reset password. So that's it guys, that's how you sign into Daily Motion. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.